Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in New Kingston and we are looking at Trafalgar One, a new 6-story building that's under construction. Now New Kingston is the business hub of Jamaica. It's Jamaica's Wall Street. This is where you find all the banks, financial companies. It's the spot for doing business in Jamaica. So you find a lot of commercial buildings here. And because Jamaica is expanding and things are going so well with the economy, you find that as soon as they build these buildings, they're rented out. So there you can't have enough space in New Kingston. One Belmont was it, a 9 or 10 floor building in New Kingston, recently finished, fully booked out. So there is a lot of demand for space in New Kingston. And because there is such demand, you get top dollar for these rentals here in New Kingston. So this building, it should be finished sometime next year. And it's in the heart of New Kingston. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this building. Trafalgar One is a premier commercial building located at 123 Trafalgar Road in Kingston 5, Jamaica. This modern 6-story high-rise offers approximately 25,000 square feet of premium commercial space designed to meet the needs of contemporary businesses. The building boasts a sophisticated contemporary design, integrating eco-friendly features and modern amenities. Its strategic positioning in the heart of New Kingston ensures it stands as a landmark structure within Kingston's built environment. To accommodate tenants and visitors, Trafalgar One includes 3 levels of parking, dedicated traffic lights, and at entry points, optimize egress and ingress, enhancing accessibility and ensuring smooth traffic flow. The building is equipped with 2 elevators for efficient vertical transportation, a 24-hour guarded compound, CCTV surveillance for enhanced security, and a backup generator to maintain operations during power outages. Flexible leasing options are available, including 5,000 square feet on the ground floor, 10,000 square feet on a single floor, or a combination of 25,000 square feet spread across 3 floors, allowing businesses to choose spaces that best suit their needs. Trafalgar One's contemporary design and strategic location make it an attractive option for businesses seeking modern, eco-friendly commercial spaces in Kingston. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We'll give you updates on this development every 2 weeks. Alright guys, have a good day.